Mwasi nazali nde kolinga, azali mwasi ya bato. Kasi ndenge tolingani na ye.
Mwasi nazali kolinga, naebi azali mwasi ya bato. The woman that I love, I know that she belongs to somebody else. I know that she is somebody's wife, but I'm still loving her anyway. You know, Franco Lambulanzo Makedi was sometimes very naughty. He will do topics that were largely seen as taboo. Take the example of the song that is playing. The song is actually titled Nandimi Koboma, I am ready to kill. Wow. And the context is that there's a man that has loved a woman that is married. But he says that the way he feels his love for this woman, it may not be possible that the woman loves her husband the same way that she loves him. What a controversial song. Franco Lambulanzo Makedi and of course Vicky Longomba and Le OK Jazz are back in the day.
Mwasi nazali nde kolinga, azali mwasi ya bato.
Mwasi nazali nde kolinga, azali mwasi ya bato. The woman that I have fallen in love with is a married woman. She belongs to somebody else.
Mwasi nazali nde kolinga, azali mwasi ya bato.
Mwasi nazali nde kolinga, azali mwasi ya bato. The woman that I am loving is married. She belongs to another man.
Kasi ndenge tolingani na ye.
Kasi ndenge tolingani na ye, but the way we are loving each other.
Kanisi ye na mobali na ye, balingani boete.
Na kanisi ye na mobali na ye, balingani boete. I think that her and her husband do not love each other the same way that I and her love each other.
Nazali komituna, ndenge nini mwasi yako kabola kabolingo.
Nazali komituna, ndenge nini mwasi oyo ako kabola kabolingo. And I keep on asking myself, I keep on questioning myself, how does this woman divide her love?
Yangana mobali na ye.
Yangana mobali na ye. And her love for me and also for her husband.
Ngai ya bato naiba kakoiba.
Ngai ya bato naiba kakoiba. And this one is somebody's, but I just steal.
Soki bazuinga lelo yo na kanisi na kosamba.
Soki bazuinga lelo oyo na kanisi na kosamba. And if they catch me today, if they get me today, I am very sure that I will plead my case. So kosamba means that you stand to defend yourself in a court of law. You appear in a court of law and to justify exactly why you are doing the things that you are doing. So just to appear and tell your side of the story.
Mwasi nazali nde kolinga, azali mwasi ya bato.
Mwasi nazali nde kolinga, azali mwasi ya bato. The woman that I'm loving is married. She belongs to another man.
Kasi ndenge tolingani na ye.
Kasi ndenge tolingani na ye, but the way we love each other.
Nisi ye na mobali na ye, balingani boete.
Na kanisi ye na mobali na ye, balingani boete. I think that her and her husband do not love each other the way we do.
Nazali komituna.
Nazali komituna. So I keep on asking myself, I keep on wondering.
Ndenge nini mwasi yako kabola kabolingo. Yangana mobali na ye.
Ndenge nini mwasi oyo ako kabolanka bolingo yangana mobali na ye. How this woman shares the love between me and her husband. I keep on wondering and questioning myself.
Ngai ya bato naiba kakoiba.
Ngai ya bato naiba kakoiba. This one is somebody's, but I just steal.
Soki bazuinga lelo yo.
Soki bazuinga lelo oyo. If they get me today, if they catch me today,
na kanisi na kosamba,
I think I will defend myself. I think I will appear before whichever tribunal and state my case. This is a very naughty song, right? why Franco became so popular is because he used to sometimes engage in certain topics, certain taboo topics, but also importantly because Franco Lambulwanzo Makiadi was a commentator of matters and the issues that were actually happening, that were obtaining in society.
Mwasi nazalinde
kolinga, the woman that I'm loving.
Azali
Mwasi Abato is married to another man or belongs to another man. Kasi ndenge tolingana naye, but the way we love each other. Na kanisi ye na mobali naye balingani boyete. I think that her and her husband do not love each other this way.
Nazali komituna ndenge nini baso yako kabola kabolingo.
Nazali komituna ndenge nini mwasi oyo akabola kabolingo. I keep on wondering and asking myself, how does this woman spread or share the love?
Yangana mobali na ye,
the love that I give her plus the love that her husband gives her.
Ngai
yabato naibaka koiba. I just steal this one. It is belongs to someone, but I just keep on stealing.
Soki
bazwinga lelo oyo, and if they catch me today, nakanisi nakosamba, I know that I will defend myself. I know that I'll justify my actions. Then of course the song transitions, and then as it does that, there's of course the vocals of Vicky Longomba. Kosamba na kosamba Nandimi. I will justify, I will appear before whatever tribunal and state my case. I agree. Nalinga kaye mingi. I love her so much.
Nandimi
koboma, I am ready to kill. I agree that I can actually even kill.
Nalinga
kaye mingi Nandimi kosasa. I love her so much that I can actually now destroy. So kosasa means to destroy, it means to butcher, or it means to spoil a reputation or something like that. Namiso nakosenga nambanda, and eye to eye I will actually request my rival, the man that this woman is married to. We normally meet everywhere, so many occasions, but he does not know me. Nakomi yebisa, so I will let him know, or I'll reveal myself to him. Tokuta nakamingi aeba kangaite. We normally meet quite often, but he doesn't know me. Lelo akoyeba, today he will know. Navandi na mingi atike langai mopaya. So I have stayed with her for a long time. So let her leave me the visitor. So mopaya, in this case, is a visitor. Atike langaye. Let him leave her for me. Bolingo yangaya sika, my latest catch, my latest love, my new love. Atike langaye, let him leave her for me.
Bolingo
yangaya tembe, my love that is full of doubt. Then of course there's that 7. It's a very interesting song, this one. This saxophone must have been done by Barkis Kemangwana. Of course, Franco on solo guitar. Listen to that, surely. Listen to that. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, remember to hit the subscribe and notification buttons, leave a comment, share this video. Thank you very much. Kosamba na kosamba Nandimi mokumba. If it is making a case for myself, if it is standing before a judge to state my case, I accept the burden that comes with it. So mokumba is a luggage or burden. Nalinga kaye mingi Nandimi koboma. I love her, I love her, I love her. I am prepared to kill for her. Or because of her. Nalinga kaye mingi Nandimi kosasa. I love her so much. I'm willing to destroy, to slaughter. I am actually willing to spoil my name if that is what it takes. Na miso na kosenga nambanda, and in my own eyes, and eyeball to eyeball with my rival, I'll ask him. Tokuta nakamingi aeba kangaite. We meet often, but he quite doesn't know me. Nakomie bisa, so I'll introduce myself to him. I'll let him know that I am around and I love his wife. What? Tokuta nakamingi aeba kangaite. We meet quite often, but he doesn't know me. Lelo akoyeba, but today he will know. Nafandi na mingi atikela ngai musokoli. I have stayed with her for so long, so he should leave for me the cleaner. So kosukola is to clean, musokoli is somebody that cleans or washes. Atikela ngai, so he should leave her for me. Bolingo yanga yasika, my latest love, my latest catch. Atikela ngai, bolingo nanga ya tembe. He should live for me, he should live for me, because this is my love that is full of doubt. Listen to that now. Thank you very much for watching this. Franco Lombonozo Makiadi, may God continue resting his soul in eternal peace.